This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VFWC is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, skylight, oven, TV, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VFWC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.